welcome students of standard 10. How is your study going on? Okay, feeling this chapter easy? Circle chapter I have started. Okay, I want to complete. I am not getting any response, not getting any comments from you. Okay, which chapter next वगैरह? How is the chapter? Next exercise. Last Pythagoras. Write some comments. Similarity. Okay, today I am going with exercise 3.3. Okay, related to arc of circle. See, what is arc of circle? A part of circle is called arc. An angle made by arc at the center is called central angle. See, if O is the center, this is arc AB, angle AOB is measure of arc AB. By definition, this is measure of arc. It's measure of central angle. Understood? This is measure of arc AB is angle AOB. Getting central angle whose vertex is at the center of circle. Right? Now arcs, such arcs can be added or subtracted like angles. See here, angle AOB plus angle BOC is angle AOC. Adjacent angles can be added or subtracted. Getting? Angle AOC minus angle BOC is angle AOB. Right? So simple. Similarly, arc ABC equal to arc AB plus arc BC. Measure arc ABC is M equal to M arc AB plus M arc BC. Similarly, M arc ABC minus M arc BC is M arc AB. Simple. Okay. See. Measure of complete circle is 360 degree. 360 degree circle, 4 right angles, like 4 quadrants. Okay. 360, 90, 90, 90, 90. Right. So measure of semicircle, half circle is 180 degree. Right. Okay. If my measure of minor arc is less than 180 degree, means arc whose measure is less than 180 are called minor arcs. Whose arc whose measures more than 180 degree are called major arcs. Okay. In the same or congruent circles, congruent chords have their arcs congruent and vice versa. See, this is the same circle radius to same. Okay. Congruent circle, just two different circles with same radius. If chord AB congruent to chord DC, what does this mean? Arc AB congruent to arc DC. And if arc AB congruent to arc DC, chord AB congruent to chord DC. Later on I am going to prove all the theorems together. Okay, before exam, first you understand the numericals, how to solve, understand the concept. Proofs are easy. Step by step I will do everything. Okay, you just follow me, support me, subscribe my channel. Understood? Any doubt you can write. Okay? Write in the comment box. We'll go ahead with the first sum. Okay. First sum. Okay. D, E, F, G are concyclic points. Concyclics on the same circle. C is the center of circle. Okay. This is all given. Okay. Angle ECF is 70 degree given. Angle ECF equal to 70 degree. This is given. What does that mean? Angle ECF 70 degree. Arc EF is also 70 degree. M arc EF. Measure of arc EF is 70 degree. That is by definition. If this is 70 and one more thing given, angle M arc DGF. This arc is 200 degree. This is 200. This is 70. So remaining how much? What is measure of full circle? 360. So 360 minus 270, that comes to 90 degree DE. Right? Okay. And now DEF to so simple. M arc DEF is M arc DE plus M arc EF. That is 90 plus 70, 160 degree is the answer. So simple. You have to find a measure arc DE and measure arc DEF. See here. First, M arc EF is angle ECF, that is 70 degree given by definition of measure of arc. Okay. Now M arc DE, this complete is 360 plus M arc EF, this arc plus this arc plus this arc. is 360, that is measure of circle, right? So M arc D plus this is 70, this is 200 given is 360. 200 plus 70 is 270, shifting that side becomes minus 270. 360 minus 270 is 90 degree. M arc D is 90 degree, right? Okay. Now M arc DEF, this is the first answer. M arc DEF is M arc DE plus M arc EF, 90 plus 70, 160 degree. So first answer, this is second answer. Understood? For this you can write the reason arc addition. DEF is arc DE plus EF. Very easy. Any doubt, write in the comment box. We'll go ahead. Okay, we'll go ahead with second sum. See what is given properly. Triangle QRS is equilateral. Okay, it is inscribed in circle. Okay, and what you have to prove? Arc RS congruent to arc QS congruent to arc QR. These three arcs are congruent, made by triangle. Okay, so how to prove? And again second proof, measure arc QRS is 240 degree. This you have to prove. Okay, so how? See, sec QR congruent to sec RS, sec congruent to sec QS. What is the reason? Triangle is equilateral. Equilateral triangle, all sides equal. Okay, these are chords. Sides of triangle are chords of circle. Congruent chords have their arcs congruent. Therefore, arc QR congruent to arc RS, sec QR, so arc QR congruent to arc RS, congruent to arc QS, as I have explained you. So congruent chords, therefore congruent arcs. Correct? Now see, first proof is complete. So simple it was. All the three arcs, there are three arcs and all the three are congruent. So measure of each arc is 360 upon 3, that is 120 degree, right? This is 120, this is 120, this is 120, right? M arc QR equal to M arc RS equal to M arc QS equal to 1/3 of 360, right? That is 120 degree. Okay, this is 120, this is 20. What is second question is M arc QRS. Measure arc QRS you have to find out. Is a measure arc QR plus measure arc RS. Simple. QR plus RS, 120 plus 120, 240. Understood? Easy. Any doubt, write in the comment box. Okay. Third sum and the last sum of this exercise. See, what is given? Circle given, figure given, chord AB congruent to chord CD given. And what you have to prove? Arc AC, only this much, congruent to arc BD. This is also simple. If chord AB congruent to chord CD, arc AB congruent to arc CD, right? Arc AB congruent to arc CD. Write the reason. Congruent chords are equal to congruent arcs, right? Right? You write full statement. I have not written, but you write. Now arc AB we can break up as arc. We can write as arc ACB. AB is same as ACB. You can take middle point, and CD you can take as CBD. Arc ACB we can break AC plus arc AC plus arc CB. Arc CBD also arc CB plus arc BD. Now arc CB cut. Same cancelling common part, right? So arc AC, what remained is arc AC equal to arc BD, that is congruent. So simple. You write the reason also, cancelling arc CB, right? If arc CB we shift that side, algebra rule, that becomes minus, plus minus cut. Understanding? Easy? Write down. Any doubt? Difficult sums we are going to do later on. Okay, first we'll finish the portion, understanding, then theorems. Difficult, so much practice I will give you. Just follow my channel, support my channel, subscribe my channel. Okay, it must grow, then I will give you everything. Okay, study with me. Okay, I am helping you. Okay, see you in the next video. In the next video, I am going to exercise 3.4. Okay.